is so cool. I love them. I love it. The fireworks look so cool. Wow. Ace is looking too. That's so cool.
What do you think, Ace?
What do you think, Ace? Isn't it cool?
Ace.
I think it's
Short dog.
beautiful. But they took a break of it.
What are you playing right now? Please get that garbage off the radio. Oh, my lantern.
That's into that kind of music. I've never heard him listen to that before. I've never heard him
Dude,
listen to smooth jazz.
that's not smooth jazz. Smooth jazz from the 90s.
Yeah, that's what I said.
No, that's not what it is.
I'm missing some of the fireworks, but I've seen like plenty of them. Well, Mom's recording on the bed. Mom's recording them, so we can watch them. Yeah, we can see them when it. Wow! So cool! They spark! So cool! They shimmer after, right? So beautiful. Oh my god, it was pink in the air. Oh my god. Yeah, it went pink and green. But that's so cool. Wow, that was beautiful. That is beautiful. Whoa!
Wow, sparkly.
Wow! So cool! It's so cool. I think this is the best day ever, right, Mama? Yeah. Just chilling in our car.
This is the finale done.
The finale.
I would go if I were you.
Okay.
In your car seats.
No!
Yes. Yes, so we can beat the traffic home. We gotta go so we can get in our seats so we can beat the traffic home. Come on. Or otherwise we're gonna be here forever. Come on.
I love that.
Yep, you can keep watching them.
Keep watching them, but
Keep watching them, but we're gonna
Get your belt on,
get
too.
going. Come on. Get your belt. Hurry up, Nova. Get your belt on. Hurry up and get out and get her belt on. She's being a turn. It's not funny, Nova. Wow, those are pretty. Pretty nice, better hurry up. Here comes the
No, right here.
Yes, it is, and here comes a lot of them.